Hello children, this is your Hemalatha ma'am. I have come along with one more problem. Nisha used 2 by 3 of a bucket of water to wash her car. Harshal used 5 by 6 of the same bucket of water to wash his car. Meena used 6 by 9 of the same bucket of water to wash her car. Which two people used the same amount of water? To know this, we need to move into the garage and learn about equivalent fraction. Let's proceed our learning.
Today's topic is finding equivalent fraction, lesson 2 from block 3. The aim of this class is we will find the fractions that are of same size. Resources required: fraction strips 10 centimeters into 2 centimeters, around 10 in number. Keywords: equivalent fraction. Anita and Rohan were enjoying in the chocolate factory. Anita and Rohan ate chocolate bars of the same size. Anita ate 2 pieces of her chocolate bar, while Rohan ate 1 piece of his bar. Who ate more chocolate? Anita ate 2/4 of her chocolate bar. That means among 4 pieces, she had 2 pieces. Rohan ate the same 1/2 of his chocolate bar. See, the chocolate bar of Anita and Rohan are of same size, but Anita's chocolate bar is divided into 4 equal parts and Rohan 2 equal parts, but the size of the chocolate is same. Therefore, they both ate the same amount of chocolate. They both ate same amount of chocolate.
Today, we are going to work with fraction strips. These are called fraction strips. I have taken 10 fraction strips of same size. Now, let me place these fraction strips one below the other. 1. I have divided into 2 equal parts. Three equal parts. 4 equal parts. 5 equal parts. 6 equal parts. 7 equal parts. 8 equal parts. 9 equal parts. 10 equal parts. Have you observed? All my fraction strips are of same size. All my fraction strips are of same size. We will find out the fraction that were the same size as 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 by 4. This 2 by 4 is further simplified, which becomes 1 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos. So the result will be 1 by 2, which will be equal to 1 by 2. Next is 3 by 6. It is further reduced to 1 by 2. 3 ones, 3 twos. So 3 by 6 is also equals to 1 by 2. Next. 4 by 8. 4 ones, 4 twos, which is equals to 1 by 2. 5 by 10. 5 ones, 5 twos, which is equal to 1 by 2. So, the fractions that were of same size as 1 by 2 are 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10, 6 by 12 and so on. We will get all even numbers in the denominator. Now, let's write the fraction for each shaded part in our book. Please, can you write the fraction for the shaded parts? Here the shaded part is 1 by 2. The shaded part is 1 plus 1, 2 by 4. The shaded part for 1 by 6 is 1, 2, 3, 3 by 6. The shaded part for 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 8. The shaded part for 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 by 10. Now let's write the fraction that are of same size of 1. One plus 1, 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. 1, 2, 3, 3 by 3, which is equals to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 4, which is equals to 1. So, when the numerator and denominator is of same number, then we will have the same size of 1. Now, let me ask you one more question. How many tens did we shaded? How many tens did we shaded to get the same amount of 1 by 2? To get 1 by 2, how many tens did we shaded? We shaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 10. 5 ones, 5 twos, which is equals to 1 by 2. So this is the way we need to work with fraction strips.
Let's have an activity discussion. Which fractions were the same size as 1 by 2? 2 by 4? 3 by 6? 4 by 8? 5 by 10? These are all the same size as 1 by 2. Therefore, they are called equivalent fractions. Which fraction are of same size 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7, 8 by 8, 9 by 9, 10 by 10 are all the same size as 1. Let's have generalized discussion. What are the fractions of same value called? Fractions that have the same value and size are called equivalent fractions. Once again, fractions that have the same value and size are called equivalent fractions. For example, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. One more example, 6 by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. What do you notice about fractions that are of the same size as 1? All the fractions equivalent to 1 have the same size. For example, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, and so on. How many 6 can make one whole? How many 6 can make one whole? 6 parts out of 6 or 6 sixths would make 1. 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Hot question. Neeta divided a cake into 2 parts and ate 1 part. Anil cut a cake of the same size into 4 parts and ate 2 parts. Asha cut a cake of the same size into 3 parts and ate 2 parts. Which 2 people ate the same amount of the cake? In this problem, you have to observe all 3 of them had same size of cake. So Neeta, she has divided the cake into 2 parts and she ate 1 part. So the fraction here is 1 by 2. So Neeta ate 1 by 2 of the cake. Anil cut a cake of the same size into 4 parts and ate 2 parts. So Anil ate 2 by 4 of the cake. How much? 2 by 4 of the cake. Asha cut a cake of the same size into 3 parts and ate 2 parts. Asha ate 2 by 3 of the cake. Now we need to check which 2 people ate the same amount of cake. Now let me explain you which 2 people ate the same amount of cake with the help of fraction strips. Do you remember about the fraction strips? Good job. Neeta ate 1 by 2 of the cake, Anil ate 2 by 4 of the cake, and Asha ate 2 by 3. Yes? 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 4. Do you remember? All the fractions which shows 1 by 2 is 2 by 4. And then 3 by 6, 4 by 8. Do you remember? 5 by 10. All these fractions shows 1 by 2. So Neeta and Anil ate same amount of cake. Neeta ate 1 by 2. Anil is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is further simplified. 2 ones, 2 twos. Yes. So which is equals to 1 by 2. So Neeta and Anil ate same amount of cake. So fractions might be different, but the value is same. When the fraction is different and having the same value, then it is called equivalent fractions. Solving time. Use the fraction strips shown below to find any one equivalent fraction for these fractions. I hope you all understood the concept. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.